expected to turn to rain before the temperatures go back into the high 40s. The vast storm left icy Texas highways almost abandoned.
Seems like there's ice, snow, and ice again.
It also stranded thousands at the Dallas-Fort Worth airport and briefly grounded planes in Philadelphia. Power outages continued in the South and Midwest. And as the next wave of Arctic weather pushes down from the north, millions could find themselves facing a treacherous Monday morning commute. Allison Harmelin for CBS News, New York.
Minnesota saw the coldest temperature. Some places hit 35 below zero. And for more information on the winter weather impacting Iowa, you can head to our Always Heard website, kcci.com. We have the latest closures and cancellations listed there, along with the forecast. Leave the TV right here tonight and count on KCCI News this morning to get you up and ready to go at 4:30.
The other big story we're following tonight, which bowl game will the Hawkeyes be playing in? Scott likes this one. That'll explain it. That was new at 10, Scott.
That Outback Bowl in Tampa, Florida, and much to the Hawkeye Nation's delight, there were no surprises. Yes, the Hawkeyes headed to the Outback for the fourth time in New Year's Day. They face LSU, a powerhouse that on ESPN kickoff at noon from Raymond James Stadium, the home of the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. $70. LSU, we'll have that for you later in sport. We've got the secret behind that dazzling offensive attack. That coming up later in Sunday Sports Extra.
Also coming up, has a special visit with Santa. Children continue to meet at Wilhelm Mall so they can visit Mr. Claus, some for the first time.
And coming up, his best movie role yet. John Caspezy reviews Matthew McConaughey's starring role in The Dallas Buyers Club.
Hey, Lauren, time to ask for it, and we are delivering Monday on KCCI 8 News this morning. We're putting more of those as-seen-on-TV products to the test. Monday, see if the flapjacks made with the perfect pancake are indeed perfect. Plus, the snow falling in central Iowa. Wake up tomorrow to the very latest conditions from 4:30 to 7.
This is Iowa. Beautiful 1 minute, dangerous the next. That's why more Iowans trust Storm Team 8, powered by Central Iowa's only TV radar that can pinpoint freezing rain, sleet, snow, and ice. This is KCCI News. This is Iowa's weather leader. The live market price is the low market price in Toyota of Des Moines. We monitor hundreds of competitors daily to ensure you find the most aggressive low market prices. Find out more at ToyotaDM.com. Toyota of Des Moines. Powerful selection, powerful pricing. The cold weather is here. At Thrasher Service, check your furnace for only $82.
Let our family at Thrasher Service make your family comfortable year-round. Call us at 262-2229 or visit us online at thrasherservice.com.
It's holiday time, and the Iowa Lottery is helping you celebrate the magic of the season with our Kids Galore promotion and 9 great scratch games. Anything can happen at this time of year, so we're offering 310 Play It Again prizes, the most ever. 10 prizes of $10,000 each, plus Sony Theater Systems gift cards, Xperia tablets, and HD TVs. Get some holiday magic of your own.